Wired UK's first ever pop-up store, sponsored by Samsung Smart TV. So you'll see around the venue, we have a lot of Samsung TVs on display, showcasing just incredible digital content, which is really sort of bringing the place to life, which is really exciting, and it looks really impressive. The idea with this pop-up space is to take Wired magazine, lift it off the page, bring all those incredible innovations and products and stories that Wired celebrates into a physical environment so that readers and the general public can get their hands on these products. They can play, they can ask a lot of questions of the technologists and the scientists and the designers behind each of the products, and really celebrate sort of British innovation and creativity and ideas, really, I guess, you know, and experience the future. So we have everything from 3D printing, I'm wearing a 3D printed bracelet, all the way through to drones and interesting sort of new recycling innovations, all the way through to more analogue side. So we actually have Wired magazine in print form, books, art, and then film screenings and a lot of live events during the week. So it's going to be a really, really great time.
We're design and engineering students, so it's really cool for us to come here and get some inspiration.
The technology is 10 years ahead of what's in the store, so we came down to see whether we get anything for Christmas, but also to see what's, you know, might be in the regular stores in five years' time.
I love the idea of a pop-up store. I've got the latest Wired magazine, and I saw these incredible things that you can buy, and to see them in real life just makes me want to buy them all.
It'd be lovely to see a permanent store. I think it's a very good idea. A lot of stuff in here you don't see in other stores at all, so yeah, I think that would be very useful, very interesting.